All right, why do I need a billy bar, or why would I want one? Well, let me show you. I'm in my Land Cruiser right here, and I've got the billy bar button panel installed right here on the dash, wireless. Previously, I had to wire this button, and I had to pull wires through the firewall and up under the dash and in to wire that switch, and it took forever. This thing, super simple. Here's what I've got wired to it. I'll show you the panel here. Can you see that? Yeah. Fog lights, light bar, air compressor, and an underhood light wired to this. So let's get up here. I'll show you. So light bar right there on the button. Fog lights on the button. This is in my hand right here. And then the air compressor, you're gonna hear it come on, and my phone. And then underhood light, we've got wired in. Super easy. Let me show you another use for it. Okay, another great place to use a billy button, well, billy bar in this case, but I've got my Race Week trailer here, and we've used it to wire up some lights. Here's the panel sitting here. Again, rechargeable. USB-C right there. Got it wired to, let me get back under here, some cargo lights right there. We've got the front lights. Let me walk around the front here. So we've got these front lights wired to it. And an interior light, which is right there. And I have an extra one I haven't wired up yet, but super simple install. So those are a couple of case uses for it. We do have some of these on some semi trailers running tag axles and lift gates, dump beds, all that kind of stuff. So I'll have more video of that coming soon, but so many uses for this.